Now imagine this, you wake up naturally at 8:30 a.m. You take a fresh cup of coffee, sit by your laptop and glance at your chart. No rush, no buzz, no pointless tasks, just you and your strategy and the market. You check your setup, place a trade and then go about your day. Maybe hit the gym, maybe walk the dog, or maybe just chill. That feeling, it's called freedom. It's not a fantasy, it's a choice. Thousands of people just like you are transitioning from 9-to-5 jobs to full-time trading, and not because it's easy, but because they were willing to learn, fail, and grow. This video isn't just about trading, it's about breaking free. Now listen, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to go from being stuck in a cubicle to confidently trading Forex full-time. The tools, the mindset, the morning plan, everything that you need to know. And if you want to join my mentorship, this is the right time for you to click the link at the description and join my mentorship class if you really want to change your life. In that way, I will teach you how to start Forex trading from A to Z, and your money will possibly work for you. So if you've ever looked out the office window and thought there's got to be more to life, then this is the video for you. Stick through to the very end and you will never regret it. Build the foundation without story. Before you think about quitting your 9-to-5, you need to build a solid foundation in Forex trading. And this isn't about luck or gambling, it's about mastering a skill. But start by learning the Forex market structure, understanding currency pairs, pips, lots, leverage, and how different seasons affect volatility. Am I understood? Make time to study technical analysis, things like support and resistance, candlesticks, patterns, and indicators like RSI or moving average. But don't stop there. You also need to learn risk management. That means never risk more than 1-2% of your account per trade, using stop losses wisely and knowing when to walk away from the screen. Create and test a trading strategy that suits your personality. Backtest it over months of data. Demonstrate it. The goal here is consistency, not quick profit. Start journaling every trade you take. Write down the reasons for entering, your exit plan, how it went, and what you learned. Finally, don't ignore trading psychology. Emotional control separates long-term traders from short-term gamblers. The bottom line here is, if you want to trade full-time, you have to treat this like a business. That means systems, discipline, and constant learning. Build the foundation right, and everything else will follow. Build safety nets. Quitting your 9-to-5 to trade full-time is exciting, but also risky if you are not financially prepared. Before you make the leap, aim to save at least 6 months worth of living expenses. This gives you breathing room while you transition and prevent emotional trading driven by the fear of losing money. Next, make sure you've already been trading profitably, either on a demo account or with a small live account for several months. You are not just trying to win once, you need to show consistent, disciplined performance over time. Also, avoid going full-time with high interest debts hanging over you. If your income on trading isn't stable yet, debt can become an unnecessary mental burden. Some traders choose to keep a part-time job or run a side hustle in the early stages. That's actually a smart move. It reduces pressure and keeps the bills paid while you scale your trading skills. The key is reducing financial stress so you can focus on making smart, rational decisions in the market. Remember, this is a business, and no business thrives without proper capital, planning, and stability. Build your safety net first, and your trading career will have a much higher chance of success. Start small and possibly scale gradually. One of the biggest mistakes new traders make is trying to go big too fast. But when you are transitioning to full-time trading, your goal isn't to impress anyone, it's to stay in the game. Am I understood? Start small. If you are trading with your own capital, use an account size you can afford to lose. Focus on risk management above all else. This means risking no more than 1-2% per trade. Am I understood? No matter how confident you are in the market, the goal at this stage is consistency, not making fortune overnight. You are training your mind to follow a process, not chase profits. Once you've proven your strategy works and you are staying consistent, then you can begin scaling. That doesn't always mean putting more of your own money at risk. It could mean applying for Profem challenges. And if you want to know the Profem you want to choose or you should go for, watch this video that I talk about Profem right here. Profems gives you access to large capital like $10,000, $50,000 or even $100,000 account understood based on your trading performance. This is a smart way to grow without risking your savings. But remember, scaling only makes sense when your system is solid and your mindset is disciplined. Master trading small before you even think about going big. When you can manage account like a professional, you are ready to scale with confidence. Daily routine and work-life balance. Now let's talk about this. Trading full-time doesn't mean you are spending all day staring at charts. Understood? In fact, the best traders treat their day with structure and discipline, just like any successful professional. Start by defining your trading hours. Pick a season that fits your lifestyle, London, New York, or even Asia season, right? And stick to it. Over trading and watching the market 24/7 leads to burnout and poor decisions. Build a routine around preparation. This includes analyzing the markets before season starts, reviewing any key economic news, checking your trade plan, and identify potential setups. Once your trading window closes, step away. Don't chase trade or second guess your plan. Use the rest of your day for recovery and growth. Go to the gym, spend time with family, read or journal your trades. Balance matters. Without it, trading can take a toll on your mental health and relationship. Set boundaries. Don't trade from your bed. Don't check charts during dinner. Create separation between work and life. Am I understood? Because trading is now your new business. Even if both happen under the same roof, this lifestyle gives you freedom, but freedom requires self-control. With a healthy routine and a balanced life, you will not only trade better, you will enjoy the journey much more. Now let's be honest, trading full-time is not all sunshine and profit screenshots. It comes with real challenges that you must be prepared for. First, emotional pressure. When trading becomes your primary source of income, every decision feels heavier. A losing trade doesn't just hurt your account, it can mess your confidence, your mood, or even your relationship. Second, uncertainty. Unlike a regular job, there is no guaranteed paycheck. Some months you might do well, other months you might break even or worse. Now, this financial stability can be mentally draining if you are not prepared. Third, isolation. Trading is often a solo journey. You are not in an office with co-workers or a team. If you don't intentionally create social connections or build a supportive trading network, it's easy to feel alone. When no one is watching over you, it's tempting to break your own rules, overtrade or skip analysis. That's how many traders fall off track. Finally, constant self-management. You are your own boss now, which means you are also your own employee, coach, and risk manager. You have to stay sharp, focused, and accountable every day. Am I understood? But here is the good news. Once you accept and plan for these challenges, they lost their power. Success in trading doesn't come from avoiding difficulty. It comes from learning how to handle it with maturity and patience. Can you quit your 9-to-5 job and trade Forex full-time? If yes, drop it at the comment section. I'm inviting you to join my community, join my Telegram channel. The link is at the description. Join my mentorship and meet with other people and connect with them, right? So that is it. So if you find value, smash the like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next video. Peace out.